Okay, so the FedEx guy just came to my door, dropped my phone off. Here's the box. It's kind of small. Whatever. Let's see what we got here. I haven't opened it yet, so I don't know what's in the box. Okay, let's see if I can get this out of here without having to put this thing down. There we go. So there's that. Battery's missing from the back, and it's probably normal. We shall see. Okay, what's under here? Oh, just like that. Got some kind of USB to micro USB cable, a plug, probably my charger, and here is the almighty battery. This is the back plate. What is this mess? Oh hell, put this down over. There we go. Getting started guide. Yeah. Spanish. Consumer information. Spanish. Product safety and warranty. Who the hell reads that? Okay. Guess I gotta go down to the store and get this set up, but figure I'd take a video of it.